Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to be giving away a Milwaukee M18 8¼ inch table saw with a 12.0 amp hour battery. We will announce the winner on September 2nd, and this tool here is something that we are just getting into. We're going to run this thing through a lot of different tests, so I encourage you to follow us on social media and also subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications so that you can see when this tool is announced, and if you're the winner, you can get back with us and we'll have one shipped out to you. So to get into this giveaway, very simple. I want you to list out your absolute favorite tool, no matter what it is. I want you to list it out, hashtag WorkshopAddict, and again, we'll come back on September 2nd, like we usually do, late in the afternoon on Sunday. We'll announce the winner, you'll get back with us, and we'll get one of these out to you. Thank you for all your support. We can't do this stuff without you. Thank you for watching our videos. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. Check us out on social media. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.